Now, as we continue our look at the parish of Hanover, this evening we turn our attention to unemployment. As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, there are mixed views as to why there's a slow take-up, especially in the tourism industry.
When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, scores of hotel workers lost their jobs as travel the world over came to a halt. Things are back to normal, but in an unlikely twist, not all have returned to work. The Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association has all but begged persons to take up critical positions at resorts and small hotels. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett has also joined the calls. For decades, a job in the hotel industry was the main source of income for residents in parishes like Hanover. Things appear to be changing.
It's really rough, you know, rough.
We met one such woman who left her job at a popular hotel out west and became self-employed.
I can pay my bills, I can do a lot of things that I could have never done when I was working.
Shantoy Mackenzie sells natural juices in Malcolm Heights along the outskirts of Lucy. She admits her business may be unattractive to many, but insists she took the risk in a bid to ease the financial burdens.
At a point, I had some pride in me and feel a little bit ashamed of doing it. But when I realized how good this job is to me, the good that it has done to me, I just put my pride aside and I just said, you know what? When I was going to work, I would be in my nice stocking, my working shoes, my handbag, and sometimes I don't even have fear to go to work and I'm well dressed and looking pretty. And I said, what's the sense of being pretty and don't have any money?
While people like Shantoy have taken a risk, concerns about the number of young people who remain unemployed in Hanover.
Hanover is often referred to as the forgotten parish, though it's considered the gateway to the tourist town of Negril. Residents point to the aging infrastructure as well as the lack of job opportunities in the parish. Interestingly, we did some checks for ourselves and found several job openings in Hanover as well as Negril. The big question is, why aren't some residents interested?
Most of the young people want to do no work, you know, want to sit down on car and loaf and
some of the people them think that the money too little bit, but sometimes we have to take little and eventually we will get what we want at the end of the day.
There's a raging debate about what needs to be done. Daniel Scarlett has been living in Hanover for over 2 decades.
Half a loaf is better than none. If you sit at home doing nothing, you have nothing to get. If you go out there and work for something, then you can get half a loaf. Next question, what is your educational background? What are your skill levels? What is it that you're looking for to match your education status?
I think we should work on more education, more level of consciousness, letting them understand there's more to wisdom and knowledge than just material things.
In the meantime, Hanover is said to be on track to claim its place among the bustling tourism areas on the island. In part 3, we'll explore the proposed development for the parish. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.